Although this activity is designed for second grade students, because second grade students are expected to show their number fluency up to 1200. Third grade students can use it to refresh their number fluency. Students generate 10 less than or 10 more than a given number in this activity. Students who have some difficulty may, or in the beginning, they can use this place value chart and base 10 blocks to understand which number they should, or which place they should focus on to generate 10 more and 10 less than a given number. Please laminate this chart and provide a dry erase marker so that students can place the number, place this number in these boxes and then show the number in base 10 blocks in here. Now we will work on 1139. This is 1000 cube, thousands place, and 100. This is my 100 flat, that is 100, and 3 tens, 1 2 3 tens, and 9 units, 6 and 9 units. Right, so 1100, 3 tens, and 9 units make 1139. Now we are going to generate a number, a new number that is 10 more than this number. So to generate 10 more than this number, I'll focus on tens place and then add another 10 here. Now this is 1149, which is 10 more than 1139. And same way, to generate a 10 less than 1139, I take away 110, and this is 1129, that is 10 less than 1139. So this is 1139. I go ahead and place this in my place value chart. 9 ones, 3 tens, 100, and 1000. So 10, so my focus is on tens place. So 10 less than 1139 is 1129. I change this into 2. 10 more than 1139 is 1149, because 10 more is 449. Let's take another one. 1086, 6 ones, 8 tens, 0 hundreds, and 1000. 10 less than 1086 is, remember my focus is in tens place because it is 10 less than and 10 more than, is 1076. 10 more than 1086 is 1096. Let's pick this one. 1113, 3 110, 100 and 1000. 10 less than 1113. 10 less than this will become 0. 1103. 10 more than 1113 is 1100. This becomes 23. Let's just get one last one. 953, 3 ones, 5 tens, and 9 ones. There are no thousands. 10 less than 953 is 943. 10 more than 953 is 963. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations and answers 10 less and 10 more. Provide immediate feedback.